Climate change happens when certain gases in our atmosphere trap heat from the sun, warming the planet. These greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide and methane, come mostly from burning fossil fuels in factories, cars, and power plants. Deforestation also adds to the problem because cutting down trees means less carbon dioxide is removed from the air. As more greenhouse gases build up, they form a thicker blanket around Earth, trapping more heat and causing global temperatures to rise. This process is what drives climate change today, leading to rising temperatures and more extreme weather around the world. The world is warming, fast. Global average temperatures have risen by about 1.1 degrees Celsius since the late 1800s, and most of that increase has happened in just the last 40 years. Melting glaciers and shrinking sea ice are raising sea levels, threatening coastal communities and water supplies for millions. Oceans are absorbing most of this extra heat, expanding and fueling more extreme weather, heat waves, floods, and droughts. These changes are no longer predictions, they are happening now, all over the globe. The evidence is clear, our climate is changing rapidly, and urgent action is needed. Climate change is already reshaping lives and landscapes worldwide. In Bangladesh, rising seas and stronger cyclones force families from their homes and ruin crops. Australia faces longer, deadlier bushfire seasons, devastating communities and wildlife. Andean glaciers are vanishing, threatening water supplies for millions. Europe's record heat waves kill thousands and disrupt rivers and agriculture. No region is immune. Climate change is a global crisis with local consequences. Its impacts ripple through every society. The climate crisis disproportionately hits the most vulnerable communities the hardest, exacerbating existing inequalities. It's a harsh reality that demands immediate attention and action. Farmers across Africa are facing devastating crop failures due to prolonged and intensifying droughts, threatening their livelihoods and food security. Coastal fishing communities in Asia are losing their livelihoods as warming oceans and changing weather patterns deplete fish stocks and disrupt traditional fishing practices, and all around the world, vibrant coral reefs are dying at an alarming rate. Landscapes are undergoing dramatic transformations, coastlines are eroding at an accelerated pace, deserts are spreading, encroaching on fertile lands, and glaciers are retreating, melting away centuries of frozen history. Coral reefs, including iconic ecosystems like the Great Barrier Reef, are bleaching and dying in increasingly warmer and more acidic ocean waters, threatening marine biodiversity. Wildlife is struggling to adapt to these rapid environmental changes. Polar bears are losing their crucial hunting grounds as sea ice melts. Migratory birds are losing their crucial timing, disrupting ancient migration patterns, and sea turtles face skewed populations due to rising temperatures affecting hatchling ratios. The intricate web of life is unraveling before our eyes, species by species, pushing countless creatures toward the brink of extinction. Warmer, wetter conditions are facilitating the spread of new and existing diseases among animal populations. The stability of our global food supply, access to clean water, and the very foundation of biodiversity is increasingly at stake. For today's students and future generations, your future and the well-being of our planet depends on how decisively and effectively we respond to these challenges. The world you inherit is under immense pressure, but it is not beyond hope, and your actions can make a difference. We face a dual challenge: cut emissions and adapt to inevitable changes. Adaptation means building resilience, protecting people, economies, and nature. The Netherlands creates room for the river and floating homes to manage floods. Farmers switch to drought-resistant crops and smarter irrigation, restoring mangrove shields coasts better than concrete. Every field, urban planning, engineering, healthcare must adapt. Innovation and foresight will shape a safer, more sustainable future. Our choices today will safeguard tomorrow's world. Subscribe for more such insightful videos.